Navigating the complexities of ESG compliance in India. ESG is a term which refers to environmental, social, governance. So how the companies are being compliant with regard to environmental norms, social norms and governance norms. What are these? Environmental means reduce pollution. How the companies are reducing the pollution, decreasing their carbon footprint, less releasing carbon dioxide, promoting circular economy. Circular economy means recycling and waste management. Social means taking care of their employees. Gender equality at work. Mainstreaming marginalized societies, communities. Governance means timely audits. Ethical practices, ethical business. So these are the hallmarks of ESG compliance. The companies which follows all these things is said to be ESG compliance. So this terminology, this principle, this tenet entered in India in any law. The name of the law is Companies Act 2013. It entered in this act via corporate social responsibility. Earlier what happened? National voluntary guidelines for environmental, social and economic responsibilities for business. That was released in 2011. Then this was upgraded National Guidelines for Responsible Business Conduct 2019. SEBI required that top 500 listed companies, 500 top listed companies to report BRR, business responsibility reporting. Then new norms came for NSG, new norm came for ESG in 2020, which required top 1000 listed companies to follow these norms by SEBI. It was issued by SEBI. So, this concept of ESG means this in form of law. It was in the CSR in Companies Act 2013, earlier, 2 years earlier. This was the guidelines. These guidelines were there for the employees, communities, environment. Then this was upgraded in form of this, and then finally in 2020 SEBI said that top 1000 listed companies should follow the ESG and report that. Now, what are the benefits of for a company to follow the ESG practices? Now the shareholders have become smart. They invest in those companies which follow these ESGs. So therefore also mutual funds also invest in these companies. So therefore, to get the private equity, to get the funding, basically the companies follows ESG. And banks also give better rate of interest to these companies who follow ESG. Banks give better rate of interest.